Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify robots.txt settings for better crawling. Quick tutorial step-by-step. To begin verifying your robots.txt settings, open your web browser. In the address bar, type your website's domain followed by /robots.txt. For example, if your website is example.com, input example.com/robots.txt single quote. Press enter to access the robots.txt file. Once the file loads, review its contents carefully. Look for user agent directives to see which bots are addressed. Next, check the disallow directives to determine which pages are restricted from crawling. Ensure that the intended bots have access to the appropriate sections of your site. If needed, compare your directives with standard practices, ensuring compliance with SEO guidelines. Consider testing your robots.txt file using Google's robots testing tool. Navigate to Google Search Console and select the Robots Testing tool under the Legacy Tools and Reports section. Input your robots.txt content or upload the file, then click Test. Analyze the results, paying close attention to any errors or warnings highlighted. If issues arise, edit your robots.txt file to correct them. After making changes, resubmit the updated file via your web server. Finally, revisit the Robots Testing tool to confirm that the adjustments are effective. By following these steps, you can ensure that your robots.txt settings facilitate optimal crawling for search engines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.